I'll take 100 more steps. If I don't see a clearing or a person, I'll go back. So after trekking Gudibande Fort alone, I've got some liking towards trekking, and this is the second trek that I'm taking alone. This place is called Swami Malai in Yelagiri Hills. Swami Malai is the peak which from where you can see almost all of Yelagiri and the towns that are below that. So if you are in Yelagiri, you should try. In case somebody comes, trying hard after climbing the Gudibande Fort alone. Now it's turn to climb Swami Malai. Can you believe it's still 3:30 in the afternoon? And this is the way to climb Swami Malai. Okay, I came to this point after about 30 minutes of trekking, and I see that the checkpost is closed. So these are some of the boards that I see, and since the checkpost is closed, I don't think it's a safe idea to go any further. But me being me, having this, I'll go further. Look at this. This is deep inside the forest. After about 15 minutes from the checkpost, I think I took this tough trek path. Though I got it for free because the checkpost was closed. I'm really rethinking if I should turn back, because I don't see anyone on the trail, and only a few localites have seen me coming. There is no way of getting any help in case something happens to me here. But that's when the adrenaline rushes and you would like to trek more. So going along, and we'll see what happens. And I've also been folding the branches just like so wherever I go, so that I know that this is the path I've taken. This is something that I learned in my National Cadet Corps days, which really helps during the treks, especially in a forest like this where you don't know, you're alone. Come along, we'll see till where we can go. It's actually getting dark, quite dark for 4 o'clock, but we'll see how it goes. I think I really chose the tough trek path. Look at this. And I saw one localite was coming from the opposite side. She said that the clouds are really dark and it might rain heavily. So she suggested that I go back and come back tomorrow morning. Well, when the localites suggest, you'll have to listen. So our Swami Malai trek could not be completed, but I'll still try to go till there and see if there is an opening. I'll take 100 more steps. If I don't see a clearing or a person, I'll go back. Okay, I took about 150 steps, and I think that is where the top is. You can see how dark the clouds are, and the path still looks like this. So according to the conditions that I had put for myself, Because walk for 100 steps, try to see if I can find a human or a clearing where I can see a clear route. Though I can see this clear route, it's not a clearing and no humans are visible around. So I guess I'll have to turn and go back. This is the end of half completed Swami Malai trek in Yelagiri. So if you were to come to Yelagiri, try this Swami Malai trek and let me know if you have already completed this trek and how the top would be. Thank you. Take care. So after a long trek back to this place, I'm here, still closed, and that view there is amazing. Look at that. I'll be closing my vlog here. Nothing much to talk about because I didn't complete this trek. That is the Swami Malai trek. So I'm going back. Shirisi. I'm going back. This place just got my interest. Look at how beautiful this is. My God. If you were to go and sleep there, amazing. I'm almost back and look at how sunny it became. It's really frustrating. It's like if you have ever done some trading in stocks or options, you see some profit, you think it's the high or the low depending on the kind of trade you're doing, and you think it might reverse and go opposite to your direction and you just get out. After that, it starts bumping in the same direction and gives you tremendous profit if you were on the trade. Same thing happened to me on this trail. Just when it was all gloomy and dark, two people suggested that I should go back to local lights. So I turned back and all of a sudden the clouds are gone and it's sunny and I am down.